Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. We have in front of you Epson L8050 and this is sublimation ink inside, and the yellow color is not printing. If you have any issue with your print quality, or some of the colors are not printing, or it's printing blank page total, how to clean the print head, today I'm going to teach you. There are two methods to clean the print head. The first method is we just will do from the printer itself without connecting to the PC. You have to press and hold the cancel button for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. The light started blinking. It means that print had started cleaning. So let it finish this step, and we will print again the same page, and we will see if the yellow color is fixed. Okay, if it's not fixed, then we will clean the print head using our computer, and this matter will be using power cleaning method. Okay, so we have to wait around 5 to 7 minutes. Let it complete this. This power light must have to be stopped completely, and then we will clean print head again. Yes, power lights stopped. Print head has been cleaned. Now I will give print test, the same test page I will print from my computer. Here we go. Still there is no improvement. Okay, still the same. So now, how to do power cleaning? You have to install complete driver from Epson official website, and in this interface I will click on printing preferences. You have to find printing preferences in your computer. You will see this dialog box will appear. I will click on maintenance tab, and here is power cleaning option. I will go for power cleaning and will press next. We have to click all these three boxes, we have to check, and we have to press next again, and we have to press start. So this power cleaning process has been started. Now we have to wait again 5 to 7 minutes, and here you will see power light started blinking again. We have to wait, and then we will print again another page to make sure that about the yellow color. Power light stopped now, stable, and here also the message power cleaning is completed. So now I will press finish and will go for the same page to give a print command to make sure about the print quality. Hopefully it will work, and I will select the page and press print. Okay, I gave the print test page command. Printer power light started blinking. This is after first attempt, this is second attempt, now third attempt to print test page, and we will see the print quality, and still the yellow color is not printing. Even it's getting worse. This is due to sublimation ink, so that's why the sublimation ink is very thick sometimes. So it means that the print head is clogged. Must be need to clean the print head manually. There is another video I will make soon to teach you how to clean manually print head, Epson L8050 printer. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.